Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a biscuit teacup. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 stick of very cold butter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour and sugar. Next, cut the cold butter into small pieces and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to work it into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, add 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of milk, mixing until a soft dough forms. Now, let's shape our teacups. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to create the bases for your cups. For the sides, cut strips of dough and carefully wrap them around greased, oven-safe molds like small ramekins or inverted muffin tins. Gently press the dough strips to the bases, ensuring a good seal. It's time to bake your creations. Place the shaped biscuit cups on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before carefully removing them from their molds. For a functional cup, line the interior with melted chocolate or an edible glaze to prevent leaks. Your delicious biscuit teacups are ready to enjoy. Fill them with hot cocoa, a small serving of coffee, or even a scoop of ice cream for a delightful treat. These are perfect for parties or a fun dessert. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it. You can also experiment with different biscuit flavors, adding cinnamon or lemon zest to your dough for a unique twist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.